In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer emails between Gmail accounts the easy way, using Gmail's built-in import settings. This is a super useful method if you're moving to a new email address, organizing a business account, or just want all of your old messages in one place without manually forwarding everything one by one. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your old Gmail account by going to mail.google.com. This is the account that already has the emails you want to move. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. Then click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings menu. Now, find the forwarding and POP/IMAP tab and click on it. On this page, you'll see the POP download options. To allow your new Gmail account to pull emails from the old one, you need to enable POP. Select Enable POP for all mail. Depending on your preferences, Gmail may also give you options for what to do with messages after they are accessed. For this tutorial, the main thing is making sure POP is turned on. Once that's done, scroll down and click Save Changes. Great! Now the old Gmail account is ready to be imported from. The next part is done inside your new Gmail account, so sign out of the old one if needed and log into the Gmail account where you want the emails transferred. Once you're inside the new Gmail account, again click the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then click See All Settings. This time, open the Accounts and Import tab. This section is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts and bring messages into your current inbox. Under the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will open asking for the email address you want to import from. Enter your old Gmail address, then click Next. Email will now ask how you want to connect that account. Choose Import Emails from my other account, POP3. This is the option that allows Gmail to retrieve messages from your old inbox. After that, click Next again. Now enter the password for your old Gmail account. Make sure you type it correctly because Gmail needs this to verify the connection. Once the password is entered, click Add Account. At this point, Gmail will begin importing your emails from the old account into the new one. Depending on how many messages you have, this process may take some time. If your inbox is large, the import can run in the background while you continue using Gmail normally. You may also see options for labeling incoming messages, keeping a copy on the server, or archiving imported mail. These settings can be helpful if you want to stay organized while the transfer is happening. If you're not sure, you can leave the default settings and continue. After the import starts, Gmail will continue checking the old account and bringing in messages automatically. So if you're waiting for all your emails to appear, give it some time. The older the mailbox and the more messages it contains, the longer the full transfer may take. And that's it. You've now started transferring emails from one Gmail account to another using Gmail's own import feature. This is one of the simplest ways to move your email history without using third-party tools. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.